你好，我叫 Alex. That's how you say Alex in Chinese. 我学习中文在 Felix. And I'll spare you my Chinese, my poor Chinese. I'm here to tell you about Felix's course, how good it is. I am very happy with Felix's course. I learned a lot, and I wasn't working as hard. If I paid more attention and if I worked harder, I probably would be very, very good at Chinese right now. I will tell you my story, like long story short, I started learning Chinese 5 years ago. I learned for 1 month, and after 1 month I hated it. I threw everything aside and I said, this is the worst language in the world. This is stupid. This language is stupid. Why would someone want to speak and write Chinese if we have 26 letters in our alphabet? And it was just stupid. I hated it. 5 years after, I get a job offer from China, and normally they pay good money to foreigners in China, so I was happy, like I'm going to do my job. It was a challenging job, good money, and I said, I'm not learning one word Chinese. I hate Chinese. I'm going there just for the job and for the money. So I arrived. And after 1 week, I thought maybe I should learn some numbers, maybe I should learn some words, like to communicate the basic. And I found Felix's course on Udemy. And it's great. It's really great. Like how Felix teaches you, it may seem strange at the beginning because he teaches you some words that you don't know exactly why am I learning this word right now, and then 2 minutes after it makes sense and everything gets together. I guess that's why it's called Domino Chinese. And Felix is very funny. I don't know, he understands how Europeans or how people who speak English need to learn Chinese. I'm very happy. It's probably one of the best courses there is. Felix pays double if I say, okay, hold on. Forget what I said. It's not one of the best courses. It is the best course ever. It's amazing. It's great. I don't know if you didn't buy it. I don't know what you're waiting for. Buy this. Make a better life with this. It basically cures cancer. It's amazing. 再见.